go through challenges. And so if we're suppressing our emotions, that just builds up. And these emotions get stored in the body, they get trapped. They can ultimately lead to imbalances and illness. And so the breath work, when practiced regularly, really helps to kind of release that stuff, move that energy, and release, there may be some traumas that have been stored up, and trauma can be a lot of different things. It's really how you perceived a situation, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so being able to release some of that may be stored in your body, in the subconscious mind, you don't even necessarily know it's there. By doing this breath work, you can really start to release some of that, and ultimately, start to come out of perhaps some of the depression or anxiety that you might be experiencing.